Valvoline VPS 2-part fuel system cleaner and canister tool. The 2-part fuel system cleaner is designed to reduce or eliminate deposits on or in the following components of the fuel and air induction system of a vehicle: throttle body, throttle plate, intake manifold, plenum, intake valves, fuel rail, fuel injectors, combustion chamber. Prior to performing this service, ensure to check the following. Do not install product until visual inspection for any leaking fluids is completed. Vehicle must be properly ventilated. The vehicle must be outside or connected to exhaust hose or extraction system. Do not perform any part of service if the vehicle is making any under-hood noise such as knocking or tapping. Inspect engine to be sure mass airflow sensor is not attached to the throttle body. Do not perform on diesel, rotary, turbo, or supercharged engines. Always keep canister in upright position when pressurized or when fluid is in the canister. Always use safety glasses when working on fuel systems. Always cover connections with shop rag when loosening. Never smoke or work near open flame when servicing fuel systems. Do not perform if vehicle shows signs of potential overheating, such as low coolant level, weeping radiator, leaking hose clamps, etc. Vehicle should have at least a half a tank of fuel. If not, then the customer should fill up immediately after the service. The Valvoline Professional Series tank additive could also be given to the customer to be added at next fill-up. Step 1. Throttle body and air intake cleaning. Make sure regulator on unit is closed by turning the knob fully counterclockwise. These units are shipped in this configuration. Make sure shutoff valve is closed by turning fully clockwise 180 degrees to the valve. Always consult vehicle or shop manual for proper procedures. Remove gauge and regulator assembly from canister and fill canister with Valvoline Professional Series intake cleaner. Then replace the assembly. Hang the device from a convenient place above the engine compartment with gauge and canister upright. Disassemble air duct from front of the throttle body. Attach S nozzle in front of the throttle plate, being sure that the nozzle is not hitting the face of the plate. Reattach air duct over S nozzle and onto throttle body. Softly tighten clamp to secure fitting onto throttle body. Attach hose onto S nozzle and connect to canister. Attach shop air hose supply from compressor. Set regulator pressure to 20 psi. This pressure provides the ideal contact time of the cleaner to effectively remove deposits throughout the throttle body, air intake, and induction system. Always run at the same 20 psi for every vehicle. The 12 ounces of Valvoline Professional Series intake cleaner at 20 psi will evacuate completely in approximately 12 to 13 minutes. Start vehicle and run at idle. Open shutoff valve by turning fully counterclockwise. Continue to run engine at idle until canister is empty. An audible difference in engine noise may be heard after cleaner has fully evacuated from the canister. It may be necessary to slightly rotate canister back and forth toward the end of the service to ensure complete evacuation of cleaner. Turn engine off. Remove shop air hose and let canister bleed off any excess pressure before shutting off valve. Then turn the regulator fully clockwise 180 degrees to close. Carefully remove all fittings and adapters and reconnect the air duct to the throttle body. Start the engine and check for any fuel leaks and loose connections. Step 2. Fuel injector cleaning. Add fuel injector cleaner to gas tank. Make sure gas cap is tight after installation. Loose caps can cause check engine light to come on. After service is completed, inform the customer of the following. Expect discharge, white smoke from exhaust for the next few kilometers. This is normal. Operation may be rough until all materials burn off and the powertrain management system has readjusted idle and fuel curve. This may exist for several kilometers of operation. If fuel tank is less than half full, customers should fill up tank. Use at least one full tank of gas before putting any additional fuel additives into the tank. May have strong odor up to 20 minutes after service. On vehicles equipped with OBD2 computer systems, the intake cleaner may trigger misfire codes. Codes can be cleared by removing the powertrain control module fuse or by disconnecting the battery for 5 minutes. Note, if the battery is disconnected, clock and radio sets will be lost, anti-theft systems will be affected, and the vehicle will need to relearn some engine functions. It is recommended that all fluid be drained from the canister and hose before storing. If the spray pattern deteriorates or if the tip becomes clogged, hold the body of the spray nozzle with a 3/4 inch wrench and remove the spray tip with a 5/8 inch wrench. Using a blowgun, shoot air through the nozzle in both directions until clear. This concludes the training on the VPS 2-part fuel system cleaner and canister tool. Should you have any further questions, please contact your Valvoline representative.